What's up guys, this video is for those of you that want to set up Voicemeeter but don't want to deal with the ins and outs of Voicemeeter or learning how the program actually functions. You just want it up and running right now. I've made 3 preset files for each version of Voicemeeter. That includes Voicemeeter, Voicemeeter Banana, and Voicemeeter Potato. All you'll need to do is follow along with this short video and you'll have it up and running in no time. The first step of this video is quite simple. Using the link in the description below, you need to join my Discord server. What you'll see in the Discord server are all the chat channels. Just scroll down and go to downloads. And in the downloads channel, what you will see are the Voicemeeter presets. Make sure you select the preset for the Voicemeeter software that you're using. The next step is quite simple as well. You just need to open up the Voicemeeter software that you're using. I'm using Voicemeeter Potato. Go to the menu, load settings, and load in the preset file that you're going to use. What you'll notice once the preset is loaded in, some of the titles have changed and the buttons down here have been reallocated. Now we're ready to set up the sounds for our computer. The next step is quite simple. Simply need to go down to the speaker icon down here, right click on it, go to open sound settings, scroll down till you see the sound control panel option. Once you're in the sound control panel, we're going to set our playback devices. We want to set our default device to Voicemeeter input VB-audio Voicemeeter VIO and our default communications device to the Voicemeeter aux input. On the recording tab, we're going to set our Voicemeeter aux output to the default device. Now, if you are using the Voicemeeter base version, you will actually set the Voicemeeter output to the default device on the recording tab, and you will also set the Voicemeeter input to the default device and default communications device. The reason being is because the base version of Voicemeeter doesn't include a Voicemeeter aux input and output like the Voicemeeter Banana and Voicemeeter Potato applications. Once you have those set, go ahead and hit OK on that. At this point, you will actually have your system entirely set up. All your desktop audio will be coming in on the desktop input, and all the microphone audio will be coming in on the microphone input. You need to simply make sure you select your microphone on this input, and it will be routed through Voicemeeter. If you want to apply any changes to your microphone, you can do so by adjusting all the settings within this input. The next step is making sure that you have all your communication applications and video games set to default when it comes to the audio inputs, because those games and applications will automatically recognize the Voicemeeter source for your microphone. Last but not least, you do need to select the output device on this A1 selection here. So simply toggle down the A1 and select where you want that audio to travel to. Included in both the Voicemeeter Banana and Voicemeeter Potato versions, on the B2 selection here in the master section, I have included an EQ for the microphone. If you want to apply this EQ to your microphone, all you need to do is simply toggle the EQ button and those changes will take place on the mic. That concludes this very short and compact video. If you do have any further questions or you ran into some issues while setting this up, we do offer free help within the Discord server, so just reach out and ask us a question. If you're interested in funding this channel and funding that Discord server, check out my Patreon page.
Francois Patreon comes with a Discord rank, an exclusive Discord help channel, along with the Francois Studios sticker and early access to YouTube video too. Patreon.com/thefrancois, starting at $3.
This video does not include setting up your browser and music applications or separating your audio in any way. It's just setting up your audio so it's running through Voicemeeter immediately, so you don't have to think twice about it. If you do want to do a full Voicemeeter setup, I suggest checking out one of my Voicemeeter setup tutorials that are on YouTube. With that being said, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.